topic is our accounts payable accounting, right? So here, first step is that we need to create a vendor, and we are doing this QuickBooks Online Plus, right? So first step is that in accounts payable accounting, that we need to create a supplier, we need to create a vendor, right? So how to create this supplier in QuickBooks Online Plus? You need to click this option. Right here we have this tab. Okay, so in this tab we have this option suppliers. You need to click it. When you click it, this page will open, this window will open, and you need to add a new supplier here. Right, click it. Now you need to enter this supplier information one by one. So the title, you can give that. If that is an individual person, you can give this title Mr. or Mrs., then the first name, right, middle name, and all this information. Okay, so I'm gonna enter here the company name. Let's suppose it is Sage 50 Accounting, right? Then we have display name as, right? So display name as Sage 50 Accounting. What if you enter here the title information, the person information? So this information will appear either on whenever you are making invoices, right? So or if you are checking the reports, right? So you want that the vendor information with the person name or with the company name. So I need information as the company name, so that's why I just skip this option. But for example, if you enter here this information, then look now, the display name as, we have two options, either with the company name or with the individual person name. That's why I'm not entering here this information, but it depends on you, it's your choice. Yeah, then here we have that the display name as Sage 50 Accounting. You can mention the address of your supplier. So this is Musalla Tower, Tower, office number 503. That is fine. You have that the postal code UAE. And then if you want to enter additional notes about the supplier, so you can add write additional note here. This is attachment if you want to enter that additional information or a trade license of this supplier, or that the TRN number, that the text information related with the supplier, or the company logo, right? So you can add here any attachment or any information related with this supplier. Yeah, add. Okay, then we need to enter the email ID. Email ID is used if you want to send an email to this supplier. So you can enter here. Let's suppose I'm just giving a random email at email.com. That is the phone number. That is the landline number, and that is the telephone number. That is the fax. Any other information? That is the website information of the supplier, right? And if you are charging the billing rate, if you are charging him like if they are charging you an hourly base, right? So then you can enter this billing rate. We are not doing this one right now. Then we have terms and condition. That what are the terms and condition we have between our supplier from Sage 50 Accounting. So here we have some default options are there, right? That is due on receipt, net 15 days, net 30 days, or 60 days. Yeah. If there is any opening balance, right, then you can select here the opening balance. Let's suppose the opening balance is 50,000, right? Then that is the as of which date. So let's suppose this opening balance is on as of 1st November 2019, and that is the account detail, the bank account number of that supplier, and that is the business ID number, that is the trade license number, or you can also enter that tax registration number. Yeah, and then you need to save it. So this is how we create a supplier in QuickBooks Online Plus. Any question? Right? And if you want to check the reports, right? I want to see that how many suppliers we have in our company, right? So to check the reports, you need to click on this reports, right? In the reports, we have this custom reports and management reports, right? That is that three main management reports, but you need to go on the standard and you need to scroll it down. That is what owes you, that is related with our customers, right? Okay, that is what you owe, that what is your payable, that is age payable, that age analysis, aging is there. But we want to check that how many that suppliers we have. So you need to click on this option. uh, I'm using control key to open in a like a new tab also, right? So right now we have only one supplier.